Sometimes the soil looks fine on the surface, but underneath something's missing. Growth slows. Leaves lose color. Tiny midges appear. Nature gives us a quiet way to restore balance, using garlic and yeast. To begin, take 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix the 2 powders well until fully combined. There are 2 ways to use this mix. First, sprinkle 1 spoonful of the dry mixture directly onto the soil of your potted plant. Mix it gently into the top layer. This helps repel midges and feeds the roots with natural minerals and beneficial microbes. Second, for a deeper boost, dissolve 1 spoonful of the same garlic yeast mix into 1 liter of warm water, no hotter than 60 degrees Celsius. Let it sit for 4 to 6 hours. Stir again before using, then water your plants at the base, on already moist soil. Garlic is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and natural antibacterial compounds. Yeast supports healthy microbial life, improving nutrient absorption and root strength. Use this solution once every 3 to 4 weeks. It's especially helpful for violets, orchids, geraniums, and most flowering houseplants. With just 2 natural ingredients, your plants can grow healthier, stronger, and pest-free, just as nature intended. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gentle, effective plant care.